Welcome to Spirit Shack. This is the EMFields Acoustimeter AM11. So this is a high-end radio frequency meter. So it comes with a nice neat little box. We also get the carry pouch. It comes with the instruction manual as well. Also comes with the batteries included, so it takes two AA batteries. So basically, radio frequency is something that ghost hunters aren't typically using at the moment, but it's something we've been using for years. Spirits don't just give off static and EMF, they also give off RF. So this is one of the high-end meters for detecting that. And the good thing about it is it's got sound, so you can audibly hear the RF being picked up, which is a good feature as well. So it shows you the same reading in VM and UW. So you get the lights on here, these scales, and you also get the precise reading in digital format on the screen on top. So we'll just give it a quick test. Just press the power button to turn it on. So you can see there in VM around 0.71, which is the same reading up there. Down here, getting quite drastic movements, but yeah, currently at 10 there and 14 there. Yes, this is for the quick view, and if you want in the exact reading, you can look up there. So let's try the sound. So basically, we're hearing the radio frequencies being picked up audibly, which is an amazing feature, I think. So if we bring it close to the phone, you can hear the change in sound, but my phone's not giving off much at the moment. Your phones can trigger these easily if it's sending and receiving data, either downloading something from the internet or calls coming in. So we always recommend putting your phone in airplane mode so your phones don't trigger it. And I'll also use this alongside a REM pod for static or an EMF meter. So if this starts picking something up, and also your EMF meter starts picking something up, it's more likely that it's paranormal related. So if you want one of these, I'll leave a link in the video description, and thanks for watching.